61. What is Y? How does it differ from Ether? (62) What are the type of Ethereum networks that exist? (63) What is block time and average block size in Ethereum? (64) How do you recover an Ethereum account with no private key? (65) Do you need to use real Ether to test Dapps and smart contracts? (66) How Bitcoin and Ethereum differ when it comes to checking the latest state? (67) What happens when the gas runs out without the transaction being complete? (68) What makes Ethereum so promising? (69) How does Ether compare with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? (70) What is Ether's role in a diversified portfolio?